Rusty with Advanced Automotive Diagnostics. I've got this 2014 Explorer 3.5 VIN 8. Came here from another shop, was told here they thought it had a fuel pump driver module problem and it needed a fuel pump driver module and then programmed. Anyway, it got here. I told the lady I would look at it, but I'd have to verify what the problem was. Problem ended up being it didn't have battery supply voltage going to the fuel pump driver module, and the rest will come in the videos later. Hope you enjoy. 2014 Explorer with a 3.5, no fuel pump control. Didn't have any codes when it got here. It came from another shop. Surely they cleared them. Doesn't matter. They said it had COM codes, and for a fuel pump driver module, I don't even see any COM wires going to the fuel pump driver module. Don't really care. In the data PIDs, it does say fuel pump module fault or fuel pump fault, something to that effect. I forget exactly. I'll have to look that up. It'll be in a different part of the video. But anyway, so it only had like 2 volts-ish going into the module on vehicle power. It has a relay, so I jumpered the relay with the circuit breaker, and I get, it's kind of hashy, but I get roughly this 12 volts. Let's clear it up a little. And yeah, so we got a little variation, but not much. I mean, if you look at the numbers, it's nothing. So at the time that I had that jumpered, oh, excuse me, came back to this other one. I had it running. It's frozen, and I still only get roughly the 2 volts on the feed going into the fuel pump driver module. So I've got to find out where I'm losing my B plus going to the driver module and see where we go from there. Earlier, I only had the 2 volts going to my fuel pump driver module. I came down, I haven't found the exact problem, but I found the green, the violet green wire, and I just probed it so I could see what I had. I jumpered my relay spot again. I have B plus. Can't see the voltage from here, just trust me, it's B plus. And that's here. So then I went back because I thought I heard the fuel pump energize for a second. I came back here, and we now have B plus on the yellow at the fuel pump driver module, which is a joy to get to. But at any rate, I gotta find where that wire is not making good connection. Okay, so under the dash, behind this control module, BCM, GM, whatever they call it nowadays on Ford, is this connector 213, which is where the wire runs through, purple and green, that goes to the fuel pump driver module that I had a 10 volt drop on, give or take, maybe closer to 11. Anyhow, you get all this crap out of the way and you can get to it, kind of, sort of. Of course, it is affixed to the bracket with one of the push pins that doesn't like to come loose, and you can't get to it and all that, but there it is. All right, so when I pulled on that violet green wire where I probed it, yeah, not the best probe job in the world, but that's all right, it's fixable. Then I heard the pump energize, and that's when I had the 12 volts, and I came back here and we had 12 volts, but the key wasn't on, it was just jumping where the relay was, so we just had flat line voltages. So this is after I tore it all apart, got the connector C213, chased the wire all the way up. I didn't see any chafe marks anywhere. Nothing broke. So a little bit of loose connection in that connector C213, a little bit of the Stabilitant 22, and I think we'll be good. This is after I got it all put back together and started the vehicle, and I have my command, and I have my monitor and my grounds and my power. Everything is good. Hope this helps somebody. Rusty with Advanced Automotive Diagnostics.